friends, because requested through his son. Through Rama's grace, all the papas are burned. Of all of people, all the people. Sri Rama, he requested Rama, why don't you, Hemadi? Papa? So, that is the request, and Sri Rama grants it for all of you. It may look hard, but it's so simple. It comes in Tamil, shall I tell in Tamil? Idupu, don't translate, I'll tell you the meaning, otherwise it will be very... இடுப்பு கீழே ஒரு அடுப்பில் ஒரு நெருப்பு, அதில் வச்சாங்க கட்டையை, நனைஞ்சுட்டு இருக்குன்னு அது எரிஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கு. It's a mystical statement, but it looks very hard if you translate it. Idupu is the stomach part of Lord through which all came out. Through Vishnu's form only is Rama, we consider. It's audible, no, everywhere? Huh?
A bit less.
I wanted it. The stomach is, in the Kshetrabdi we find that from Lord's stomach, the Srishti takes place. Behind that is the Bhumi, which he has done for the mankind and others. That is the Adupu. Adupu is what? Hole anta hedu. Stove. Oven antava, stove antava. Stove. அந்த அடுப்புக்குள்ள ஒரு நெருப்பு, இடுப்புக்கிட்ட ஒரு அடுப்பில் உள்ள நெருப்பு, அடுப்பில் உள்ளது நெருப்பு மீன்ஸ் live embers, what you call burning charcoal ಆ ಥರ. ನೆನಪು ಅಂದರೆ ಫೈರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Man thinks that he has placed his intelligence in the form of கட்டைனா விறகு ஃபயரில் நம்ம வைக்கிறோமே, what you call that? Firewood. The intelligence is the firewood. We think that we place it in, we play with our intelligence in this world. Without knowing that it is நெருப்பு. He thinks that everything is all right. நனைஞ்சிட்டு இருக்குன்னு, நிஜமாக அது எரிஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கு. He thinks that there is a great release and he can play with this world through his intelligence. Whereas actually his intelligence is getting burnt. This is what is the karma phala, whatever you want to call it. What should I tell to all of you today? We saw in the Chaitra, what is that day? Chitra Masam. What is that? We saw some kani fruits and all. In that, out of all the epics, we keep only Ramayana. It's a national epic. Even though Mahabharata is great, Bhagavata, so many things are there, we keep as epic only Ramayana. Why? Because throughout the life, it seems Sri Rama behaved outside as one with all the people. In all other Puranas, it's being chided, it's being made mockery of, it's laughed at. Whereas Ramayana is not laughed at. Even if the situation is understood, there is no situation which doesn't reach man's mind and get accepted. For example, the Rasa Krida of Krishna. Everyone makes fun. Without knowing what is it. Do you know the Ashtapati? Anganam, Angane Madhavo, Angane, Anganam. Means in between two gopis, there was one Madhav. And in between two Madhavs, there was one gopi. So, if all the people of the world are gopis, the one person who is Atma, who is always with them, is Madhav. Without knowing this, people are making fun of it. Madhav is not different. Gopis are different. ಅದರ ಸಹಸ್ರಾರ ಗೋಪಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಸ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. He shares with them the rasa. That's why it's called Rasa Krida. Rasa means Krishna Rasa, Vivare Rama Rasam, Mulaga Rasa Matra. So this is the great mystical meaning, and particularly Hindus don't understand this, and they make mockery of this. The single Madhav shares his essence, Amritatva, nectar, with all the gopis who are varied and different. So don't believe your sight, don't believe your intelligence, don't believe even situations. It just happens. It happens. Nema buddhiyanu nambedi. So you can't change anything, you don't draw any opinion out of any situation in life. Ramayana. In that we have got a hero who is accepted as like a national bird. We have accepted a national hero. He is Rama. Deshiya Kathanayaka. But still there is a doubt whether we should declare holiday or not. And the Indian brain is so funny that it just does not want to even declare a holiday. Because all the people at this time would like to celebrate in the thought of Rama. They will have to see their files and once again blame their Nasib. What kind of mockery it is. Actually, we in South only is called Rama. It's not Rama, Ram. That is the bija, that is the root word. I was very impressed by this photo. It's not a photo, it's an image of whatever great thought we have got, in the Indian mind. I was talking about Adupu, the earthly fire. From the fire comes out the Prakriti. The representation of Prakriti is Sita. So she rises from the ground. She is taken from the ground. So she is the total representation of Prakriti. Lord Hanuman, whom you see here, is a representation of humanity. But he is so Shrestha, he is so great that he just wants the feet of God Rama, his Lord Rama. Historically not written, real incident was there. If you consider Ramayana as myth, it's a myth, but it happened. You have to accept it. Krishna appeared, Rama appeared, you all appear, but you don't appear. Mysticism is that. So the incident is, if time calls, there is no necessity for packing things. Suppose that Yama calls, death calls. You can't say that I have to write a will, this is mine, that is mine. You can't say, stuck, you have to leave. You can't even leave, you will be lifted. Then what to talk about God, Lord of Lords. So, suppose the Lord wants you, come to Lanka. We can't say that I will put my TV set here, I will put my card there, I will ask my children to manage this show. There's nothing like this. You have to live and everything will be arranged. If you are still holding to this, what kind of idiocy you showed with your brain to Lord. So the man who is created, has created, he thinks that he has created, but everything is just a Vistara Prapancha of God only. This had to be noted in Sundarakanda, but it was not noted. Many of the monkeys were very upset and angry and jealous over Rama's kindness towards Sri Hanuman. So they were having inside the mind, but they did not tell outside. Like this, many places, even Shankaracharya's Totaka, he was explaining. So there is a necessity that these monkeys were called. ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಕರೆಯುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಬಂತು. As soon as they reached Rama, they made so much namaskara and as a bhakta. One who sees all, to him these people put a drama. Not people, this, what you call, monkeys. Then he asked, why you came, is there any work for you? Each one was telling, yes, I left for you this, I left for you that, I was cooking, I was left for you that, I was doing something, I left for you that, because you are calling, I had to rush, I left for you this, I left. It's a great sacrifice for us. As if, because you are great, your call should be, call is God's call, so I left this, I left this, I left for you. Then in front of them, Sri Hanuman was summoned. He was so full of ecstasy that he could see Rama once again, So nice to see. So he was closing his eyes in front of Rama. He was just taking the name of Rama and walking and coming near Rama. ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Then Rama asked him, Sri Hanuman, open your eyes. But he was full of Ananda Bashpa, Bhagavan singing. Don't imitate this. Any imitation is banned in God's history. Don't imitate, but it's only an instant which just comes and goes. If it comes, naturally it's good. Imitate means each one's life we need it. ನಾಳೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಬೇಡ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. So then after a long time, he opens his eyes. And Rama asks him, was there any urgent work for you? Did I call you? The word itself did not enter this man. ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, I am asking you, was there any work you were doing and you have left it? No reply. This is the state of Ananda. There's nothing to do. But you have to kill your time, you have to do something. So morning to evening we are doing that only. So Hanuman is Pandita. Pandita is one who has wisdom, Panda. Wisdom, Jnana ulla. And Jnana is not acquired. Thiluvalike is acquired. Knowledge is acquired. Jnana is not even awareness, it's beyond. Whereas knowledge reaches up to I know, till this level knowledge reaches. So this the ownership of Panda is not really owned by the person who is wise. So that was the state I am referring, and referring him as the Pandita. Pandita Samadarshana. So Samadarshana, when it is possible? Only when you are transcendent, there is nothing to see, so Samadarshana takes place. So this Hanuman, you see here, such a great person, he only wants Lord Rama's feet. He is also called Kinkara because Kinkaromi. If there is any work, you tell me, I will do it. That is in his mind. He won't ask Kinkaromi, he will not ask. He will not ask, there will be a problem, this, that. Rama helda, finished. That's all. But he did not do it also because he is Pandita. He won't take the ownership of doing. So this can be misunderstood because tomorrow Rama temple alli hogi tell me some more, Kim Karomi, and it is ownership. It's a state of more than Bhava Samadhi. It's a big thing. So that Hanuman is looking at the feet and Pato Asya Vishwa Bhutani. The entire Vishwatma is in the form of the feet of the Lord. That alone such wise person sees. That's why he is Samadarshi. So that is the picture here. Then Prakriti takes a step forward in blessing. There is no will, there is no desire, there is nothing, there is no demand. So the blessing is complete. Otherwise it will be incomplete. There is no will, there is no desire, there is no demand. Sankalpa kuda. So the blessing is complete only at that time. Till such a time, blessings will be kamya, means doing something. Udilala bari kamya was. But so great are Indians, so beautiful. Just by taking of Vishnu or Shiva, you do so many things, and the only thing, belief is lost, that's all. For example, there is a sankalpa, Sarva Vyadhi Prashamanam, Sarva Mrityu Nivaranam, Samasta Papa Chayakaram, so and so Padadakam Shiva, Vishnu Padadakam Shiva, Shiva Padadakam, Guru Padadakam Shiva. The water which is washing the feet of, or which has washed the feet, Udaka, of Lord Vishnu or Lord Shiva or something, I take this water, let this water to Prasamana of all the diseases. Sarva Vyadhi Prasamanam. Sarva Mrityu Nivaranam. Anytime, anything can happen in this world. So such kind of Mrityu we don't want. Apamrityu, this Mrityu. Let that be avoided. Then Samasta Papa Chayakaram. Till each second I don't know what's happening, how papas take place. So let all this be washed away and let Vishnu take over my soul. So Vishnu's pada, only Ganges can come out. So once you take this, not the real Ganges, whatever, whenever you to do Sankalpa, that becomes the Ganges. You invoke Ganges in that. So once you take this, only what is lacking is the belief, strong faith. The next moment or the same second you should have been released. But still you will be continuing. That was the intensity of that mantra where you should have transcended many things. Small things in Manasohat. So Sri Hanuman once again. The complete blessing of Prakriti, the nature is on Sri Hanuman, who is wise. That is a seeing without seeing, I was trying to tell, Shambhavi Mudra. That is the seeing of Akasha. You would have seen in Shirdi Sai Mandir, you would have seen in many other places. The Guru or God's photo will be like this. That's how Rama sees, with Shambhavi Mudra. He doesn't see here, he sees. He doesn't see anything, that's why it's called Shambhavi Mudra. He is aware that many things are there, but he is not seeing. So in this Shambhavi Mudra, in that direction only Adisesha also can look. Adisesha is the first Baki. That's how people come out, The first Runa, first reminder. Shesha andre, what is remaining? Lakshmana nodtane where Rama sees. I don't know whether he sees like that in this photo?
Yes.
Where Rama sees. So each man takes a birth with this Sesha only. Because he wants to do something, he has not achieved this, he has not finished this. So he takes birth. So Shambhavi Mudra is this. If man can achieve this, then he sees everything, but he is only in the awareness state, but he is a transcendental being. So complete form of mukti is depicted in this image. Man's duty is to become wise. Pandita nowadays. And the surrender is to the Vishwatma. Then Prakriti blesses such a soul completely. That is Sita. Then as part of Rama, Lakshmana, Hanuman becomes Adisesha. The Pandita becomes Lakshmana, and through Rama's eyes he sees everything. That's all the mysticism behind this photo, image. This is the beauty of Indian tradition, culture, thought. Will you hate medicines which are natural just because it doesn't taste as you feel? Will you dislike? The seniors are like such people, elders. Leave last generation, those people were brainless and idiots. They created a generation which will move towards Mrityu. Just one generation above, they had created a generation which always moves towards Mrityu. But I am talking about a little more elders, seniors. Those who are 70, 60, 80, like that. 65 andre ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು. These people always will tell you something which is like this medicine, which is born out of nature, which is their wisdom, which they want to share. So respect seniors, respect elders. Will you dislike or hate nature just because it makes you wet through rain, or it gives you enough more heat through sunshine? So also, never do anything with dushan of scriptures or ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು. ಇದೇನೋ no. It comes out and it's a great gift to all of you, just to lead a life, lead the best life. Will you hate or dislike yourself just because in the mango season you have eaten a lot of mangoes? In the never-ending aloo season, you eat lot of aloo and you are troubled because of these things. Will you hate yourself? ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ದೂಷಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆತ್ಮಬಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನಂದ ಇನ್ ಯು, ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ in spite of problems, in spite of many things. So develop Atmabala, respect scriptures, respect seniors. Thanks for giving me this beautiful meeting time with all of you. Ram Nam is the name. So we will do smaran of that. Om Shri Ram.
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 உள்ளத்தில் மருக ஒரே நாமம் ஸ்ரீராம நாமம் மருகவோ மனசா ஏகைகநாமம் ஸ்ரீராமநாமம் உள்ளத்தால் மருக ஒரே நாமம் ஸ்ரீராமநாமம் மருகவு மனசா ஏகைகநாமம் श्रीरामनामम् स्मरण करूं मैं एक ही नाम श्रीराम नाम यदे ಹೊಳೆ ತುಂಬಿದ ಒಂದೇ ನಾಮ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ ನಾಮ स्मरिकुहान्
स्मरिकुहान्
मनसार
मनसार
ओक्षे नामम्
उज्जयिनामं
श्रीरामनामम्
श्रीरामनामं
राम 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 राम
राम राम राम राम
राम राम राम राम
राम राम राम
ओम श्री राम
श्रीराम
ओम श्री राम
ओम श्रीराम
ओम श्री राम
ओम श्रीराम
राम 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 राम
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 राम राम राम
The telling of this name does the burning of all the karmas. What is the Bijakshara? Ram. Ram is representative of what? Fire. So, Ram, the power of fire. Ram, 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 Ram.
राम 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 राम
Ram, 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 Ram.
राम 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 राम
Ram, 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 Ram.
राम 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 राम
Om Shri Ram.
ओम श्रीराम
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 Ram 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 Ram.
राम 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 राम
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 Ram 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 Ram. लोका समस्ता
लोकाः समस्ताः
सुखिनो भवन्तु
सुखिनो भवन्तु
सर्वत्र
सर्वत्र
सन्मङ्गलानि सन्तु
सन्मङ्गलानि सन्तु
श्रेयो भूयात्
श्रेयो भूयात्
सकलजनानां
सकलजनानाम्
ॐ
ॐ
शान्ति
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 शान्तिः
शान्तिः